I visited a bit Halong Bay yesterday, and it was, oh my god.
Đây là một cái thắng cảnh của thiên nhiên thế giới được UNESCO công nhận. Là hôm nay mình được may mắn tham gia giải đấu rất tuyệt vời. Hôm nay không khí rất đẹp, mọi người tham gia rất đông.
Well, it has been amazing to run around this area, but really hard. And the people here in Halong is very, very nice. I'm so happy to have done this race.
The course was amazing, really amazing views. Uphill parts were pretty hard, that was very challenging. But apart from that, I had a lot of fun, and there was a really nice vibe around here, people supporting each other, so it was really cool.
The run was great and the view is superb. I really love the run.
I think I would love to tell my friends to go here.
Join, yeah.
I love it here, so I really recommend to everybody to come to here and run this marathon.
Hãy chạy cho con tim của mình nó khỏe hơn, cho cuộc sống của mình nó vui vẻ hơn, giảm đi stress trong công việc và tăng cường cái nhịp tim của mình cho trái tim của mình khỏe.